Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back. I am in the process of painting the trim around the windows and the necessary places that I'm going to have to paint by hand. I'm doing it right now. I've started on it anyway. Just taking a break because some of this stuff can be real tedious. I got to say that I like to do it, but it's not something that I would want to do every day. It is real therapeutic, and the end result is really cool if you take your time. Got some more to do. I've got the back window there and get the other three windows on the other side, and then put a little bit of black around the windshield where the windshield is going to set in, but I'm also going to paint the outside of the windshield around that area with flat black so it has a look like a windshield gasket being there. Other than that, truck's coming along all right. Other thing while I'm talking about it, I am still waiting for the stuff for the back windows, the two side windows on the either side behind the doors, the front doors, and across the back end. And that's what's holding me up as far as actually putting all of the glass or all the windows in the truck, and then getting the handles and the mirrors and such on it to try to get this thing buttoned up. But in the process, I found another piece that I want to put on here just to give it a little more scale realism and some other tricks. So I don't know when it'll be here. I'm hoping that it'll be here in the next couple of days. But yeah, in the meantime, just getting this thing ready to go. In case you're wondering, there it is right there. That's what I'm using for the trim around the windows. Flat black XF1 from Tamiya. It's just an acrylic paint, if I'm not badly mistaken. Yeah, acrylic. And lays down really well. And just a couple, well, actually 3 different brushes. 1 fine tip and 2 medium tip. And yeah, so that's it. Let's get back at it. That's cool as hell to me. Well, kind of reminds me of the old Pink Floyd concert from 1980. Let's say 88, yeah. Oh my God, we ain't going there this morning. Oh Jesus, but we got a problem over here, so let me show you. All right, so my trim is painted. See around the windows. It's not perfect. I still got to touch up. I still got to run around and put another coat on them and then clean up lines like right in here, which isn't a problem. But here is the problem I've got now, and I need some input on this. If you built any kind of hard bodies in the past, it's time to start setting these windows in. And the instructions for this thing calls to put it in with hot glue. I know hot glue is not going to hold them. And I'm terrified to use CA on it because I'm afraid it's going to haze up any of the windshield, any of the glass, period. There's only going to be that one, the rear, and the four sides. But the question is what's the best way to put them in without getting the hazing? I've looked at a couple other videos online, and it says to use a gel type super glue. Just dab it in places around the frame, and then to put it in and hold it for 30 seconds, and then allow it 24 hours to cure. Question is that stuff going to cause these windows to haze around the bottoms? I don't want to screw it up. I put, it doesn't look like a lot of time, but there's a lot of time invested in this thing, and there's still some other parts I got to get to put on it. I just want it to be right. So if you guys have any pointers as far as how to put those pieces of plastic or glass in without it hazing, how about drop me a comment down below and let me know. But then after that, we can mount the body. It'll be on there for good. Shouldn't have to come back off. So other than to put a battery in. And I'm going to just use the supplied mounts for that. I think it's going to work out just fine. We'll catch you on the next one. You guys take good care, and until then, see ya.